And how you doing, guys and girls, today? I hope you're doing very well. And we're going to do a Godzilla um, Bamboo Studio image here. And we got it right here. And I'm trying to reach 100,000 subscribers. So please subscribe, share with your friends. I'd really appreciate that. You guys are great. And here's the image. This is the STL file from Thingiverse. And I'm going to double click on it. And I'm going to open Bamboo Studio. Okay, and it goes in, it imports to Bamboo Studio. Just X these out over here. And we're going to use our wheel to open it up. And left click, right click actually, and move it over. And he's an okay version of a Godzilla. He's kind of a funny version. So what we're going to do, he's in a white box, and that's good. We like that. Let's look at his hands. His hands need supports, and his chin needs supports. So we look over here and we make sure our machine is set to the profile. I'm using a Bambu X1 carbon, and I'm using a textured plate, and I'm using basic PLA. So let's go to support. Let's check this box, enable support. Go to here, click on normal, or left clicking, and go down to tree support auto. And that's all I'm really going to set on this, okay? We're going to slice the item. Let's see how big he is first. Right here it shows you how big he is. He's about 83 millimeters. It's about it's a small print, so it's not going to take too long. So let's keep him a small print. I don't need big prints right now. So let's slice the print. Right up here you slice it. Okay, click that, and it'll slice the print over here. See it slicing it, doing the process. And it's going to put the supports in there, the tree supports. Okay, there is the tree supports in there. And it's going to take, the cost is $1.09 for the filament. The prep time is about 6 minutes, and the model time is 1 hour to print. And you can adjust that in Bambu Handy app. You can to get it to print a little bit faster. But if you do, it's not going to come out as detailed. Also, we have it set to draft over here, and that gives you a faster print. You could also set it down to like 16, which is more optimal and detailed if you want. But you'd have to go to prepare again and then set it to optimal 16. But let's go with this. This should be good. So we got it all set there, okay? And I've got the printer going, so I can't send it to the printer. I would go over here and do send to print and send it. We're going to go up to File, and we're going to go to Export, and we're going to go to Export Plate Sliced. It's always this one with this Command button G. Click on that, and you see it doesn't have a name in there, so we're going to click in there. Do is click in there, and I use the arrow button to go all the way to the left, and I type the name in, Godzilla Baby. I'm going to put him Godzilla Baby. It's going to desktop, so we save it to desktop, and it's on our desktop as a 3MF file. Okay, so we're going to get rid of this one for now because we're done with that file. We're going to hit New Project. Boom, it just disappears. Let's close it out and we'll go back to this screen right here. So we just did this one, so let's do this one now. Double click on that, and it'll open up, and this is the guy I'm looking for. He's the one I'm looking for. He's not very big. See how big he is. Go up to the arrow right here. He's 125 millimeters. 125 millimeters, you got to convert that to inches. He's not too big. We can make them. Let's click in. We're going to click in there, wipe that out. We're going to put 160, and then click in the Y, and just make him a little bit bigger. Okay, he's pretty cool, huh? I like him. He's just what I'm looking for in a Godzilla. Okay. So now we're going to check. We check the profile. Its profile's good. Texture's good. The PLA is good. It does need supports. See here? Needs supports. Needs supports here and up here. You can see where it needs the overhangs are all where it needs support. So you click on support, and I always use tree support because they're easy to remove. So there we are with tree support, and that's good. Everything looks good. The size and everything. The orientation. He's standing up. We're going to slice the plate. We hit slice. Slicing over here. Okay. It'll take some time, and it's going to give you afterwards the specs of how long it's going to take to print. We'll go right to that. So prep time is 6 minutes. Model print time is 4 hours. It's going to take 4 hours to print that, and it's going to cost $3.14 in filament. So there we go. He's ready to go on my next projects, and you'll probably see him printed in my other videos. So stay tuned. Always stay tuned to my videos and my channel, and I really appreciate that. And give me the thumbs up when you can. It's free to give the thumbs up, and it's free to watch YouTube. So we're going to close out for now, and we'll see you later. Bye for now.